Get a feel for the 2024 Jeep Wrangler. The Wrangler delivers iconic style, future-focused technology, all-terrain capability, rugged power, and the ability to make your adventures truly your own. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, pre-collision system, fog lamps, heated mirrors, backup camera, keyless start, 4-cylinder engine, 4-wheel drive, aluminum wheels. On the road or the trail, be who you are in the Wrangler. Test drive it today.